You can expect a lot from the 2017 Kia Soul. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 4-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.